Hello, friends. Today, Miss Marissa is going to teach you how to wash your hands. And at the end, I want you to be able to wash your hands correctly. Let's see if we can do it. Look at this person washing their hands. Washing their hands. When we wash our hands, we want to get rid of germs because germs can make us sick and feel yucky. Look at these yucky germs, and we don't want those on our hands, so we need to wash our hands.
I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands. I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands. I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands and send them down the drain. I'm gonna send them down the drain. I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands. I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands. I'm gonna wash those germs right off of my hands. Send them down the drain. That's right. I'm gonna send them down the drain. I'm gonna send them down the drain. Yeah.
Let's wash those germs right off of our hands. Let's learn how to wash our hands. Oops. First, we need to turn on water. Turn on water. Good job. Then we need to wet our hands. Get our hands wet and ready for soap. Wet hands underwater. Next, we need to pump soap. 1, 2, stop. Pump soap 2 times. 1, 2. Now we get to rub our hands together. Rub. When you're rubbing, sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, friends. Now, after we've got done rubbing our hands and singing the ABCs, we can wash our hands off with water. Get all the soap and germs off. All of the soap and germs. Let's get them off of our hands. Under the water. Hands under the water. Now we have to turn off the water. Let's turn off the water. Turn off water. And wipe your hands with paper towel. Grab a paper towel and wipe your hands. Grab a paper towel and wipe your hands. Then throw away towel. Throw away towel. Then you are done. Good job washing your hands, friends. I'm so proud of you guys. Good job. Keep up the good work. You are doing so good.